my name's Andy Bridges and welcome to my practice space. I play with two bands, East End Trinity and Steve White and the Protest Family. And I use Collision Drumsticks, size 7A to be precise. What do I like about them? Firstly, these pair have been through about 22 hours of play. It's about 20 hours rehearsal and 2 gigs. And you can see, I don't know if you can see that, they're quite unblemished. You know, there's a bit of wear and tear, but that's 22 hours. Also, they're slightly longer than the set I used to use. I don't know if you can see this. So there's a slight difference there. They're slightly longer, which suits me beautifully. And also, you can see how battered that old one is. You know, they didn't last very long at all, unlike the durability of the Collision drumsticks. Also, I've dealt with the company on a number of occasions and I always found them very friendly. In fact, I've actually spoken to the MD and he's emailed me. I mean, you can't get more personal than that, and I really like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play a song called Supersonic. It's by Steve White and the Protest Family, and it's from the album Trickle Downtown. It lasts about 4 minutes. And then that will be the end of the video. Okay, this should be fun.
Is turning all right. There's a bus family, the families that were local and they're trying to stop the soup kitchen from working at night. So shutting on Brexit, all the real blacks living to be we used to have supersonic flight. Now we sing for our summer or we sing for another, while the loose round our benefits starting to get tight. We used to look after the sick and the disabled, big crumbs from our table, so long as I'm alright. A healthy hand from the cradle to the grave, the hero and the neighbour we used to have supersonic flight. Supersonic flight. Oh, on the front stool of my heart, the ball, is it here you're gone? Don't go into tomorrow's world. The future was bright and we were all passengers on supersonic flight. Supersonic, supersonic, supersonic flight. Supersonic, supersonic, supersonic flight. Well, your mum's alright. She's got a decent pension. I should probably mention that she always casts a vote. Generation Y and you millennials is something of which you should probably take note. Where's social mobility, financial stability, liberty, hostility? They ain't on that supersonic flight. Supersonic flight. Supersonic flight. I wanna fly the school of my heart, the Lord. Is it here you're gone? Don't go into tomorrow's world. The future was bright and we were all passengers on supersonic flight. Supersonic, supersonic, supersonic flight. Supersonic, supersonic, supersonic flight. Time team 2518. digging at the site of the Walthamstow scene. What was it like when these people were alive? All they left behind were plastic bags and PM 2.5. We found signs of real poverty. The occasional king on night. Do you think that they were capable of supersonic flight? Supersonic flight. Supersonic flight. Supersonic flight. I wanna fly as low on my hoverboard. Visit New York, Concord and tomorrow's world. The future was bright and we were all passengers on supersonic flight. Supersonic flight. Supersonic flight. Supersonic flight. Supersonic flight.
Thank you for watching. Remember, keep it collision.